Hello and welcome to Caravan Escapades. I hope everybody is keeping safe and well. Right, I'm going to record a quick vlog really just for you guys while Claire and Darcy May are in the shower, in the caravan, getting showered and ready. It's another little one for you. It's another product that we're printing and selling on our Giggly Prints Etsy store, all to help out you caravanners and campers and motorhomers, that sort of stuff. It's this one. Can you tell what it is yet? Give you a bit of a closer up. There she is. Some of you have already bought one. What it is, it's an insert and extraction tool for the little yellow bung on your ALKO locks. So what I'm going to do is basically show you how to use this. It literally inserts in there. You can already imagine how you use it anyway, but let me give you a bit of a closer up on how to use it and how to get on with it. Right, first things first, let's get this lock off so that we can, is that the right key or is it the other one? So that we can show you exactly how this thing works. So let's just take that off there. Let's put the tool in. Let's just put this to one side. Okay, so I don't want to get too close. So there's your tool, there's your dust cap. Basically you insert it in there like that. You line it up over the holes, turn it, tighten it up, pull it off, and away you go. I'm going to do that again for you. Take it off, like so, line it up, tighten it up. You can turn it up really tight, in there, and then off again, like so, and you can take it out and you can store it for safety. So what that does really, it not prevents you, but stops you kind of struggling trying to get in here like this with your fingers and do it up. It's perfectly doable. I mean, there's times that I've kind of dropped it and it's stuck in the wheel and then back again, but it's just a simple and easy tool to use for that. So there you go, that is your ALKO receiver dust cap tool, available on our Etsy store, the Giggly Prints Studios Etsy store. I will put a link down to this item down below, but why don't you check out the Etsy store while you're there as well. Lots of other kind of camping and caravan related items, even all caravan related keyrings on there as well. If there is anything you wanted, these are printed in orange, only because you know what's going to happen. You're going to put them down, you're going to lay them down, you're going to lose them. But if you do want them printed in any other colour, then please let me know. But on a serious note, what I don't want to is lots and lots of kind of sales vlogs of me selling 3D printed bits from our Giggly Prints Studios Etsy store, but what I'm going to do, certainly if you guys don't mind, is just every now and again bring you short vlogs of different things that we're printing that you might find useful, or that we might think you might find useful. Again, if you don't want to watch them, you can just kind of flick on by, but there will be plenty of normal content, particularly like content from here at Nutwood Farm CL, where we are away at the minute for the late hot bank holiday weekend. Right, I'm going to leave it there. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Hit that notification bell and we shall see you on the next vlog. You guys take care and see you soon.